Hello, and welcome to Accelerator Tips. Today we're going to talk about using a search for collection of symptoms. The collection step in Accelerator is one of its most important advantages. This is where you collect your vehicle's reasons for service by interviewing the customer and collecting symptoms or complaint codes. Today I'm going to show you how to use a shortcut using the magnifying glass to enter symptoms or complaint codes. I'm going to start a new write-up. And I assume we've already done our customer, so we're going to go straight to the collect step. Now normally this is a multiple choice where you have to pick which one of these you want to go through, major systems, and then drill down to the individual complaint. For instance, engine, starting, no start. Engine cranks normally but does not start, always, and save your reason for service. Now I want to show you a shortcut. Now you can just search for your complaint. Say, for instance, knock. Search. And there it is right away. We have engine has a knocking noise. Brings us into it. Click down again. How often? Always. And save. When doing your searches, sometimes you want to be very generic and sometimes you want to be specific. For instance, if you put in leak, you're going to get a large list. Engine leaks, driveline air leaks, so on, etc. So you may want to tighten your search a little bit more and say oil leak. Still quite a few, but they're all under leak. So let's go with transmission oil leak at cooler lines. Again, drags us right in there, always, and save. So now I have 3 reasons for service. If you want to get rid of one, you can always click on that reason for service, click the garbage can, yes, and that will remove it. Well, that's all for today. I hope these tips help you in collecting symptoms and complaint codes when you use Accelerator every day. Thanks for listening and watching.